Welcome back. We're now ready to begin exporting audio into the different clips that we're going to be using. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to File Command, and we're then going to go to Export. And what we're going to do is we're going to now export multiples. What we're going to do is we're going to choose where we're going to save the files. And then we're going to decide on how we're going to name those files. We're going to use the label and the track name. We're going to split the files based on labels. But we're not going to include the audio before the first label. And when we do this, we're now going to decide on what format we're going to use. We're going to split these into MP3. Now obviously we have other choices that we can actually split these files into. For example, if you're going to use Apple, you can use the AIFF file or WAV. We're going to use the MP3 file. We're going to leave the options at the default rate, although if you want to change them, you can. And what we're going to do now is we're going to then click the Export button. Now you'll notice we're going to get our metadata request. So if we want to make comments, or we want to add something, or even if we want to remove some of our custom categories, we can do that. So for example, we can remove this custom category. We can remove this custom category. These 7 categories are permanent and they're always going to be. So we have our track title the way we want it to be. We have our album title. We have our track number. And what we can do now is we can then click OK. Now we're going to get the second metadata, and you'll notice now that this is being called track number 2. What we're going to do is we're going to take out the custom categories. Our track title is named properly, so we're then going to click OK. We're going to take out our custom categories again. And we are now ready for track number 3. We're going to take out our custom categories here. Our title is named appropriately. We're now ready to click OK. And now the audio has started the export process. And so each of the clips are now going to be exported into their various forms. And now Audacity has completed all of the file exports, and we are now ready to use our audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.